What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're in the 350Z right now. We were going for a canyon run. We just met up with one of our friends here in this G37. We actually don't know who this guy is, but he was just behind us a second ago, and now he's in front of us. So we're just gonna cruise with him, and we're just gonna see what happens, you know? See, the beautiful thing about car people is everyone's your friend. Like, I don't even know this guy, and he gave me a thumbs up. I gave him a thumbs up. Now we just got some people we gotta deal with, but you know, our time will come. Our time will come. It's not usually too bad when this happens, when people get in front of us, but I don't think anyone's gonna pull over anytime soon. So I think we're gonna do is, I think we're gonna turn left here. Oh, see, look at that Porsche. She's holding up a whole bunch of people. Oh my gosh, how could you do that? There we go. Oh, Z gang. I'm going for it. Sorry, Mustang. All right, we out. I smell oil. See, that feels good. And I'm telling you guys, every time I top off the oil right before we leave, you know, every pull, it just smells like pure oil. I love the smell. It gets so weird. Like, I couldn't imagine not smelling it driving a different car. That would just be so weird. On a bike. No, please. No, please. No, please. I'm going, bro. I'm going. We out. Man, freaking third gear, bro. I love it. Man, I don't even remember what I was saying. Oh God, we're literally coming to a stop. Coming to a stop. Oh my God. Wow. That's a Nissan, boys. A Nissan. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've never owned a turbo car my entire life. And so people are always like, oh, I love turbo spool. You know, and the turbo kicks in and you feel it and it pushes you into the back of your chair. And like, I've never felt that really. Like, my brother has a turbo car, and when he floors it, you can kind of feel it, and you know, it starts to pull, and then the turbo kicks in, and then you really feel that pulling sensation. But like, I've only owned NA cars my entire life. So I'm so used to this linear power band all the way up to 7K. And like, I've always loved NA cars just because, you know, you just have power everywhere. But you know, there's that turbo, the way the turbo sounds, just the way the turbo kicks in and pulls you is just it's so unique. And also you get the turbo flutters and like all those turbo noises and stuff, and that's just most of the experience right there. All right, let's check it out. Do a little walk around, see how she looks. I hope the GoPro angle is good. I haven't even checked it, so we're just YOLOing it. Dang. Pretty amazing looking. I mean, got the matching shirt, and not only does it look good, but it performs just as amazing as it looks. Jeez. Windows down. Do our little walk around. This looks so good. Like, you gotta like stop for a second and just, you know, do a little lap around it. Just remember what you're driving, you know? Like, you already know if I ever have a beautiful, insane sports car, you know, it's gonna be so hard to just not pull over to every parking lot and just look at it for like half a second and then go drive again and then pull over again. Like, you guys, that's the idea. We have to invent a way. Hold that thought. Third. Fourth. here. Once again, we were stuck behind some people, so I'm just gonna wait here until a solid amount of time goes by to where those people are probably pretty much gone. You know what I mean? Just give it a good second. Oh, there's people behind us. Thank you. Didn't even see the people behind us. Didn't even see the people behind us. Gosh, right here at this bump. Oh, Jesus. It's the suspension, man. So I'm assuming that when you pay for like really expensive suspension, you get amazing performance, but then you don't get the insane bounce. All right, you guys, probably gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. Cruising around in the 350Z. If you guys like these little drive around videos, go ahead and drop a comment down below and let me know, and I'll do more of them. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any more of my future uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.